Hi everyone. What I want to demonstrate today is if you lose trust on your machine, your Client 10 PC, uh, what to actually do when you lose that trust. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to try to log in. I'm going to switch to Tony Green. This does happen when you try to log in as Anthony Green. You're going to perform the same task when you log in and get the results that I'm hoping to get here. If I don't get those, just got to enter the correct password. There it is there. So this is the error that I'm trying to replicate, and it seems I can do this pretty reasonably constantly anyways. So when you get this error specifically, what are you supposed to do? Because you haven't logged into the system. Unfortunately, our Acme server is running, and it specifically is a core machine. So I'm going to demonstrate what you have to do in order for you to fix this error. So you're going to say OK. Now in this case here, you actually want to log in as Tony. Her password is password. Since she is the only user we have to access the information and make those changes. Now it involves a little bit more because she has no Active Directory permissions, but we can override that and make this happen specifically. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for the screen. It should actually refresh itself in a second or two. There we go. So what I want to do here, I'm going to magnify my screen. I'm going to go to my type here to search, and what I want to search for in this case is PowerShell. So once you see your PowerShell app at the top here, you're required to right click on that app and run that as administrator. Okay? If you're not running PowerShell as administrator, what I'm about to show you will not work correctly, and then you'll wonder why that problem is. Okay, so you have to run PowerShell as administrator when you are Tony. In this case, you're going to say yes. Alright, so once you are in PowerShell, doesn't matter where we are, we're going to execute this command. And the command that we are going to execute is called reset computer machine password, just like so. This reset computer machine password requires, in our case here, because we're logged in as Tony, two parameters. The first parameter is the server parameter. We need to type the name of the server that we are connecting to. In that case, that is the Acme server specifically. Once you have the server with a space and then Acme server and then another space, I need a second parameter, and that is the credential parameter. And for the credential parameter, we're just going to type in here anthony.green and at Acme, like so. So what will happen here, I'm going to hit the enter key. With this specific command, it will give me my little pop-up over here to validate my credentials. You're going to enter Anthony's password, which is admin pass. I can't actually demonstrate that here, but admin pass, just like we have used for Anthony in the course specifically. Say OK once you have that information, Now, once you have entered that information correctly, you will get your prompt back. Once you have your prompt back, you can now go and specifically close everything down here because we are done with Tony. And you want to sign out of Tony. Now, because I was using Tony Green, I'm going to continue to use Tony Green here. And in our case here, that's Tony.Green at Acme. And Tony's password is password. So I'm just going to verify that so that you can see that. And I should be able to log in here with no problems once I have fixed my trust. Okay, there you go. That's how you can fix the trust relationship error in your Acme 10 machines. And I want to just thank everybody.